You hear that, Jack? Listen. Oh, look. Here's one right here. That's a cicada. Well, that's the shell. Look. Here's one that's still alive. Yeah. Look, it's crawling. They're everywhere, Jack. Look. Another one. Another one. Another one. This one's alive. This one's still coming out, Jack. The cicadas are here. It's the 2024 cicada apocalypse. Can you believe it? Yay! Uh-oh. What are you saying, bud? Dada? Mama? It's so close, buddy.
I'll have to pull up the... Here. Come here. Jack. Come here. You got it. You did it. You did it. Come on.
Yay! Oh, it's frustrating. We have to do some childproofing. We have to childproof some things. We gotta do some childproofing. You're curious. Oh? That's it? Oh my goodness. Did you just do what I think you just did on camera? Huh? Yep. That's what he did. Let me see those teeth. Oh, they're coming in. They're coming in. All right. Bye-bye, Jack.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jack. Bye-bye. Yep. That's bye-bye. Pretty good. What was that? Sneeze? You making bubbles.
Como éramos felices cuando andábamos así y estábamos contentos, pues contentos hasta el fin. Se fue, alejándose de mi alma. Se fue, hasta llegar al olvido. Se fue, llevando en sí mi vida. Se fue, dejando mi alma rota. Se fue, dejando mi alma rota.
That can be a birth certificate or
You're just a hat eater. Why are you so wild? Is it because you're my son? Yeah. Here, you drop. Up is forward, down is backwards. Right and left are on the right and left. Over here. doing, sir? Sweet ride. You like pickles?
He's standing up. He's like, I gotta stand up for this one.
Oh. Oh, it's still in his hand.
He's got it.
Huh? 1, 2, 3. Go! You said the most fun. You're gonna get those little beads. You're gonna eat them. I got you. Ready? Jack. 1, 2, 3, go! Who's coming? Who is it? It's Mommy! And Noodle!
Oh, that shirt is soaking. Soaking wet.
Did you drool too much, Jack? Too much drools or just the right amount? 1, 2, 3, go! Uh-oh, Mama's making a bottle.
Hit your head.
Jack. Jack.
That guy had a Slipknot shirt on. So.
He's got a knuckle. Oh. Oh. What was that?
Yeah, get him. Yeah, look at that. Ready?
Yes.
Is that your cousin?
Is that your cousin? What you think? That's your cousin. Kick him, yeah.
Let's have a
It's a good start.
stare off.
That's a good start.
Is your brother turning 15?
That's a hair.
Let's
Get
go
in.
look at him.
It's 105.
Who's that? Who's that? Easy. Nice. Be nice. Oh, no. Be
Just for
nice.
like, because
Be
I
nice.
had close to the age as they were. And it was always cool having a cousin
Be nice.
close.
Be nice. Come on. Uh-oh.
You are okay. You want that?
Oh, it sounds just like Jack.
Graham, what's wrong?
Oh, they sound so much alike.
Jack's like,
Is that all
"What's
babies,
that?"
I guess?
No, I think you know your own their cry. You know.
Well, I heard him earlier and I thought it was Jack.
Nice hats. I'm ready for some light.
We got it washed up. We were gonna go yesterday, but I was afraid it's gonna rain. They got trout, a lot of trout near the dam.
Like 2 big dogs or what? Who's on?
Did you turn on the radio?
No.
Turn it on.
No.
I don't know. I'll get closer. I'm having to use those fish eye lens. Uh-oh. It's purple. Jack wins. This is lay on the floor doing you. Jack won. Or maybe grab one. Happy birthday to Jude. You can't really touch the cake. Good job, Jack. Man, that was a trick one. Okay.
Ready? Party hat.
Say party hat.
Happy.
Happy birthday. You don't want some.
It'll definitely can't.
Is this hospice? For dogs?
I don't, since he's not eating it, I don't know if we should eat it.
Don't let Jude be the judge.
Cool.
The presidential food taster.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, good dog. the dog version. Just say good dog one time. Ruff, 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 ruff.
Jude's like, how dare you say that?
What is it? Does he got your Christmas tree? What kind of bird are you? Jet. Little ditty about Jack and Graham. Two American kids growing up in Heartland.
Do y'all already have plans to get one? Or are you ready one?
Are you already pregnant?
No. I know I look like I am. I just still look like it from the last two.
No, you wouldn't tell us.
Watch out for her.
No, look.
How's this one?
10. No one gets birthday cake until they're 15. Uh-oh.
But they're really, what, 100 and something in doggy years?
105.
This one or that one? How do you do doggy years?
Yeah, boy.
Instead of 4 milligrams?
Are you gonna cry now?
Oh, that's
Yeah, you just get the nicotine. So cigarettes 2 milligrams, nicotine. This is like a mint that gives you nicotine. You know, some people do like the
15-year-old boy.
nicotine. They don't get your
Graham! Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! Jack, what you got? Is that fan blowing your hair? Is that your number one fan? Why is he wearing Joe Biden's glasses? Uh-oh. No, he was just struggling. All right, Jack. Okay. Just tip it on over, sir. Can we see your teeth? Can you show us those teeth? Where's those teeth at? Let me see them. Let me see your teeth. Are you crawling? Crawling to your cup? Got it. Pretty good crawling. Oh, man. Don't you hate when your cup sneaks behind you? Let me see those teeth. You're gonna knock your teeth out before they even come in. the best of teethers, isn't it? You going for the full stand-up? Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Doing a stand-up. Uh-oh. Look at those teeth. Did you get it stuck underneath you? Boy, you made a mess on the couch. You made a big mess on the couch. You're supposed to put all those drools in the cup. That's what the cup's for. It's a drool catcher.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you just having the best time? Okay, let me see those teeth. Let me see those teeth. Smile. What are you doing?
Okay.
Smile. Smile. Let me see your teeth. What are you doing, bud? You're flipping. You're flipping over. We want to see the teeth. We want to see the teeth. Smile big. Smile. Okay. There he is. Let me see the teeth. Let me see those teeth. There they are. Oh, I saw those little teethies. We got little teethies. We got little teethies. We got little teeth buds. Yay. Teething is hard, isn't it? You like it? Goodness. What was that? Oh, I know what that was. You say dada? Dada? This is becoming a bit of a routine right before bedtime. We get a little wild on the couch, and then all of a sudden, he'll turn on us. And it switches from happy to angry. Uh-oh.
Let's go on a bird hunt.
What's that mean?
In the backyard for 5 to 10 minutes while the bathroom is down.
Dada. 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 What are you doing, sir? Are you doing cicada noises? Here. Here. just wild. Now he tries to pull himself off the couch. Okay. What you got back there?
Jack.
No, in the bottle.
Milk.
What kind of milk?
Last drop of breast milk.
That's the last of it.
That's the last of it.
The freezer is officially empty. We're
Oh, I
8
gave it
months in
away.
and 8 days. We have finally run dry on the breast milk.
Look at all that water.
The river's flooded. The river of Meridianville. Very close to Greenlawn Plantation. I guess it's the Flint, I don't know. I didn't do my research. Jack's getting angry because it's 6 o'clock. And he's in a car seat. 8 months, 8 days. Last drop of breast milk. He just had about 5 ounces of it at Baumhauer's during dinner. May the 9th, 2024. It is May 10th, 2024. I am in Meridianville, Alabama, and this is what the sky looks like over my catalpa tree. What in the world?
Oh goodness! Someone's shooting your eye. He doesn't care. He's just like, what is it? What is it? He's like, I'm not gonna shoot you right in the eye. What is it, Jack?
Help me.
You gotta smile. You gotta smile.
It would be hard to.
Is that fun?
He said, Dada? No, Dada. Dada. You say Dada? 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 You say Dada?
Yeah.